together, and I thought we'd last forever, you and I. Eyeing for so long, I couldn't wait to get your phone call. Dreaming back to makes me feel alright. Tonight you called me on the phone, said you had to stay at home. Is there something I should know? Yeah, I was fine till 7:05, till she walked out the door and I ran out of my life. And you're gone, I'll move on, but it only would have taken 2 seconds to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Night after your phone called, me and friends were hanging at the mall. I was not believing what I saw. Oh, you're holding hands with him and sitting closer than 6 inches, hoping she's not gonna kiss him now. How can I call your friend? You stood me up in the end. I know